Hello, friend! Today we are going to help the police to conduct patrols of our fair city. Maximum permitted speed in our town is 40 miles per hour. This monster truck is clearly speeding. It's time to go in pursuit of the offender. Almost got him. Hooray! We caught the offender! Look at this! Both of our police monster trucks are covered in dust after the chase. I think we should go to the car wash and then later return to the police station. Let's start cleaning the first police monster truck. First, the pre-wash. Remove the dust, dirt, and grime from the body of the truck. And don't forget about the wheels. Super! Now we apply the active foam and wash our police truck. Just great. It's time to wash off all the dirt. The next step, dry it. Finally, we polish our police monster truck. And that one is done. It's time to wash the second police monster truck. Repeat all the steps with the second police monster truck. So, let's begin. Pre-wash, excellent. Active foam, wash on each side. And don't forget about the headlights and the front bumper. Wash off all the dirt. Dry them. Finally, polish. Done! Hooray! Let's count how many police monster trucks we washed today. So 1, 2. We washed 2 police monster trucks today at the car wash. And we're done. Well now, it's time to go back to the police station. Although, my dear friend, it's time to say goodbye. Come and visit me more often. Like this video with the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.